What's up, AI enthusiasts? It's your boy, your name, back with all about AI tech. And today, we're tackling a topic that's been blowing up the internet, AI image generators. Specifically, we're diving headfirst into the world of DALL-E alternatives. Now, you've probably heard of DALL-E, that incredible AI that turns words into stunning images. But DALL-E isn't the only game in town, and honestly, some of the alternatives are even better, depending on what you need. We're going to explore the landscape, from the giants to the hidden gems, to see which AI image generators reign supreme in 2024 and beyond. We're talking about image quality, speed, ease of use, and of course, the price. Plus, we'll even touch on the ethical considerations. So buckle up, buttercups, it's going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with Midjourney. It's a bit unconventional. Instead of a simple website, it lives on Discord. You type a prompt, a majestic lion gazing at a sunset, and boom, you get 4 unique images popping up. The quality is top-notch. I mean, seriously impressive detail and realism. It's almost unnervingly realistic sometimes. Think photorealistic landscapes, stunning portraits. The detail is just incredible. But it's not free. You'll need a monthly subscription. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, yes, if high-quality artistic results are your primary goal. The detail is really where Midjourney excels. It's not just a quick generation. It's almost like watching a painter at work. But the downside? It's on Discord, which might not be everyone's cup of tea, and the cost could be a real hurdle for some. We'll show you some Midjourney-generated images. Prepare to be stunned. Next up, we have Stable Diffusion. This is a completely different beast. It's open source, which means you can download the code and run it on your own computer. Now, this requires a decent graphics card and some technical knowledge, but the payoff is immense. It's free. Completely free. Seriously, this is a game changer. And the quality isn't bad at all. It is superb when creating a particular art style. Need a watercolor painting of a spaceship blasting off? Stable Diffusion can handle that. This really is a powerhouse. But you do have to have the tech know-how and the hardware to run it. That means not everybody can jump in and start using it. We'll show you some Stable Diffusion images. It's amazing what you can achieve. Now, let's talk about DALL-E 3. This is OpenAI's latest image generator, and it's seriously powerful. The images are vibrant, detailed, and incredibly realistic. It just gets the prompts. Think a hyper-realistic portrait of a grumpy cat wearing a tiny top hat. DALL-E 3 nails it every time. But there's a catch. You need a ChatGPT Plus subscription, which is $20 a month. Worth it? That's for you to consider. It really depends on how heavily you intend to use it. The image quality is phenomenal. I've used it to generate concept art for some projects. It's a complete game changer. I'm not going to lie, if you don't have a sub, you can use it, but it's heavily restricted. We'll see some side-by-side comparisons of DALL-E 3 versus some of these other alternatives. For a free option, you absolutely have to check out Bing Image Creator. It's really one of the best free tools available right now. It's powered by DALL-E 3, so the quality is up there. You get a set number of free generations per week, and there are no additional limits. That's fantastic. It's super user-friendly too. It's totally integrated into Bing, and it's amazing for quick picture generations. A cute puppy playing in a field of sunflowers, instant results. Not as detailed as some higher-priced options, but the trade-off of price versus quality is more than worthwhile for general use. We'll show you some examples so you can see this for yourself. Now, if you're already a creative professional using Adobe products, then you're in for a treat. Adobe Firefly integrates directly into Photoshop, giving you access to its advanced generative abilities right inside your workflow. This is a game changer for visual artists. Imagine being able to extend an existing image, remove distractions, or enhance elements with AI-powered tools in seconds. That's the essence of Adobe Firefly. The integration with Photoshop is brilliant. You can edit existing pictures and make changes. It's super powerful. And the image quality? Amazing. It produces incredibly realistic shots. It's commercial safe as well for professional use. But be aware, you do need a Creative Cloud subscription. This is likely already a cost you're paying for Photoshop anyway. If you don't, the initial free trial can get you started. We'll show you how to get the most out of Adobe Firefly, and then some awesome rendered images of different styles. Remember Wombo? They're known for their quirky lip sync app, but they've also got a great image generator called Wombo Dream. It's got a really nice and easy-to-use interface. It's free to use, and it specializes in dreamlike, surreal images. The images are pretty vibrant and really capture different moods. It also does a great job with portraits. A stylized portrait of a smiling woman in the style of Van Gogh. It's fantastic at pulling together different elements. Again, there are limits here, and you'll need a paid subscription for unlimited access and higher resolutions. It definitely is worthwhile at the outset to try a few pictures first. Night Cafe Studio is an interesting one. It lets you choose not only the art style, but also the specific algorithm the AI uses. This is awesome for users who want to experiment for creative control. The image quality is very good. It's reasonably priced, and it's simple to use, with a nice and friendly interface to match. It has a credit system for generation, but you can get some free credits fairly easily. We'll also display some Night Cafe's creation, so you can decide if it's worth it. Crayon, formerly known as DALL-E Mini, is a super easy-to-use platform, and it's completely free and unlimited. It's delightfully simple. You just type in a prompt and get your image. No bells and whistles, just straight-up image generation. It was originally created for a coding competition, so it's definitely not as polished as some of the other tools. Faces can be a little smudged. Detail is not as high a priority in Crayon's renderings, but its speed, user-friendliness, and free access make it an excellent option for casual usage. It really is worth exploring what can be done. We'll show you an example image generated by Crayon. We also took a look at Starry.ai, simplified, ImgCreator.ai, and MetaImagine. These all offer slightly different features and approaches to AI image generation. Starry.ai and Imagine are pretty straightforward. They give you a text input box and a style selection. Simplified is good for quickly making images for blog posts or websites. ImgCreator is interesting because you get to choose the aspect ratio. And MetaImagine from Facebook is quite interesting, as it is free to use but has a watermark that cannot be removed. Each of these has its strengths and weaknesses, with some trading speed or features for cost. Remember that AI technology is constantly evolving, so the landscape changes rapidly. We'll show you some key features and differences so you can decide what works best for you. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about something super important: ethics. These AI image generators are trained on massive datasets of images scraped from the internet. This means they sometimes replicate styles from existing artists without proper attribution. Many are implementing additional guardrails and more sophisticated methods to ensure the image content is commercially safe to use. There are ongoing discussions around copyright, ownership, and the implications of this technology on the future of art. This is a really important topic that warrants further discussion, and this is a space that will only continue to grow in the years to come. Think about how you're going to use your AI-generated images, and make sure you use them legally. The future of AI image generation is incredibly exciting. These tools are already amazing, but technology advances really fast. We can expect to see even more realistic images, more customization options, better performance, and even the generation of videos and 3D models directly from text in the near future. Think about it. You could potentially create entire animated shorts just by typing in scripts. Imagine the creative potential that will be opened up. This is just an amazing time for developers and users, and I'm excited to see what will come next. So stay tuned. So there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of AI image generation and the top DALL-E alternatives available in 2024 and beyond. Remember, the best choice for you depends on your personal needs, your technical skills, and your budget. This is an area of AI that will only continue to grow. Be sure to let me know in the comments below which AI image generator is your favorite and what kind of art you're creating. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos on AI. As AI technology advances, so will our channel, and the power that this will have for you. I'm incredibly grateful for this community and look forward to learning more about AI with all of you. Thanks for watching.